Claude 3.5 or ChatGPT, if you're building automations, coding apps, or handling huge workflows. Picking the wrong AI could waste your time and money. In this video, I'll break down the strengths, weaknesses, and use cases of both Claude 3.5 and ChatGPT, so you can decide which one actually fits your needs. Let's get into it. When we say automation with AI, we're talking about using tools like Claude or ChatGPT to handle repetitive tasks. That could mean writing and debugging code, processing data, building chatbots, or automating your weekly workflows. Both tools can do all of that, but each one plays a different role. So let's start with Claude. Claude 3.5, built by Anthropic, is a coding-first, enterprise-focused model. And when it comes to technical automation, it's a beast. Here's why. 1. Coding power. Claude consistently outperforms ChatGPT in coding tasks. It doesn't just write code. It writes clean, optimized, and context-aware code. It scored over 72% on SWE Bench, one of the toughest software engineering benchmarks out there. 2. Massive context window. Claude can process 200,000 tokens in one go. That's about 500 pages of content. Great for working with large data sets, logs, or complex workflows that other models can't handle in one shot. 3. Cost efficiency. Its API pricing is $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output. Cheaper than GPT-4 and scalable for large tasks. 4. Ethical output. Claude is built with a focus on safe, responsible AI, a big deal in healthcare, finance, or legal automation. It's unmatched. Now, let's talk ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4o. This model is all about speed, versatility, and tool integration. It's your go-to if you want flexibility. 1. Integrations everywhere. ChatGPT connects to thousands of tools using Zapier, Make.com, and custom plugins. You can automate tasks across Google Sheets, HubSpot, Notion, and more, no coding required. 2. Multimodal superpowers. It works with text, images, and even audio. Need to generate thumbnails, summarize a podcast, or build a chatbot with voice support? GPT-4o handles it. 3. Large file support. It can process files up to 512 megabytes, way beyond Claude's limit. 4. Speed. It's fast. Really fast. That makes it great for customer service bots, content creation, and real-time workflows. Still, if you need versatility, integrations, and multimedia, ChatGPT delivers. So here's how they compare, side by side. Coding. Claude 3.5 wins for clean, optimized, and complex code. Integrations. ChatGPT dominates with its Zapier and plugin ecosystem. File handling. ChatGPT handles bigger files, Claude handles structured data better. Pricing. Claude's API is cheaper. ChatGPT has a great free tier and $20 a month plus plan. Ethics and safety. Claude is more reliable for regulated industries. Speed and UX. ChatGPT is faster and smoother for real-time tasks. It's not about which one is better, it's about which one fits your automation goals. Here's the bottom line. Use Claude 3.5 if you're writing complex code, working with massive documents or datasets, building automation in legal, healthcare, or enterprise settings, looking for ethical, cost-effective outputs. Use ChatGPT if you're building no-code workflows with Zapier, automating content creation or marketing, processing large files and multimedia, needing real-time performance and speed. Want the best of both worlds? Use Claude for the logic and code and ChatGPT for integrations and delivery. That's what the pros do. Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious. If this helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future breakdowns. Links to both AI tools are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.